Human, don't you know how to greet a new pal? Turn around and shake my dick. Oh, yeah! The old whoopee kissing in the hand trick. It's so funny. The name's Sans. Sans the skeleton. I'm the most overrated character in Undertale. I don't know why people love me. I couldn't tell you why. But anyways, I'm supposed to be out watching for humans right now, but, you know, due to plot convenience, I'm not gonna do so. I have a brother named Papyrus. He has got a lot of japes and puzzles. He's a very puppy dude. So, you just go to your right there and hide behind the lamp. We'll, do some funny shenanigans and stale memes. And you wanna know a little secret? Oh, you're gonna have to come closer, you see. I'm actually